welcome back. I'm Heather and today I'm going to be baking from my cookbook, Everyday Muffin Party, and I'm going to show you how I make my absolute favorite muffin. So my favorite section in this cookbook is the nut butter section, and of course my favorite muffins are coming from that section as well. So we're gonna be making the flourless peanut butter chocolate cake muffin. Here is what they look like. They're so tasty, and of course the recipe. What I love about these is that they're completely flourless. It's mostly peanut butter, eggs, sweet potato, and cocoa powder, and then your like basic salt and apple cider vinegar and baking soda in them. But they taste like a cake. Like, I think that I will soon experiment and turn these muffins into a cake and see how that bakes up, because it's so moist, it's so soft and delicious. One I really wanted to make for you so that you have the recipe. I'm gonna be posting the full recipe from the cookbook on my website, so you'll be able to go and grab that recipe, make it in your own home because they're so good. I just really want you to make them. Some things that help these muffins, I find this is my favorite thing to bake in. I love silicone muffin liners. So I have these regular size ones, and let me grab the little mini ones. And then I also have these little mini ones here. I've been baking a ton of mini muffins for my book signings, and these have been so handy, not one, having to use paper liners, and then two, I love that you just pop the muffins out easily and you don't have to worry about any garbage or anything. Especially great for sampling muffins at the book signing. Okay, I'm gonna mash up my sweet potato. I am going to get the batter in the muffins and show you how these come together, and then you'll be able to find the recipe over on my website. Those are my favorite muffins. I hope that you enjoyed seeing them, and if you try them, leave a comment down below and let me know how they turned out for you, what you and your family thought of them. You can find the full recipe on my website, fitmamarealfood.com. I'll put a link down below, so click over, check that out. You can print the recipe, and then of course, if you love it and try it and you want even more naturally sweetened, gluten-free muffins, definitely check out Everyday Muffin Party. We've got over 30 muffin recipes in there, lots of sweet, we've got some savory ones, and they're all just so delicious. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. Give this video a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye.